Okay, Study Guide, Chapter 2, Scientific Notation. Tell whether each number is written correctly or incorrectly in scientific notation. If incorrectly written, state the reason. We have 9.9 times 10 to the negative third. I know that this is correctly written because we have 9.9 as the coefficient. 9, the whole number here, is greater than 1 and less than 10. So yes, this is correct because of the coefficient. Okay, 4.43 times 10 to the fifth. I know that this is not written correctly in scientific notation because I have to have the whole number greater than 1 or less than 10. So I'm going to change it to 4.3 times 10 to the fifth. So no, this is incorrect because the coefficient needs to be greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, or less than 10. Excuse me, and less than 10. Write each number in scientific notation. So I look to see where I can get my coefficient to be, again, greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10. So I'm going to take my decimal point and I'm going to move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my new coefficient is 6.2 times 10 to the negative 7. So this way I'm going to be moving it from my decimal point that's here. It's imaginary. If you don't see it, it always falls at the end of your number. So you're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my coefficient will be 9.1. I know I'm correct because this number is less than 10 times 10 to the 8th power. Order the numbers from the least to the greatest. So I'm going to put all my numbers in expanded form. So when I take 2.6 times 10 to the fourth, what I'm going to do is move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, add my zeros. Then I already have 3,500. And I have 9.2 times 10 to the fourth. So I'm going to move my decimal 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the least number amount is this one. Then my next one will be 2.6 times 10 to the fourth. And then 9.2 times 10 to the fourth. Going to do the same thing with this. I first have 8,700. Then I'm going to put this into expanded form. So it's going to be 1.97. Move it over 3 spaces, add my 0. So my new number is 1,970. And the last one is 3.98 times 10 to the fourth. So that tells me to move my decimal 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my new number would be 39,800. So in putting these into least to greatest, you're going to have 1.97 times 10 to the third, 8,700, and 3.98 times 10 to the fourth. Okay, evaluate and write your answer in scientific notation. The first step I want to do is look, and I have it as an addition problem. Next thing I need to make sure is to see if my exponents are the same. They're not the same. So I need to move my decimal to make them the same. So I decided that I'm going to pick